Let's make a medium well steak with my wireless meat thermometer I bought on TikTok shop. Let's step on the gas. Let's go. First, season both sides of your steak with avocado oil, salt, and pepper. Then you stick the thermometer in your steak, just like so. Add your steak to your preheated cast iron skillet. The best thing about this smart meat thermometer is completely wireless and very simple to use. It has a powerful battery life, 300 hours booster last, 24 hours probe last. You can control your steak internal temperature up to 500 feet with an advanced Bluetooth 5.2 technology that offers a stable connection range. Simply download the Pro Plus app by scanning the QR code at the back of the packaging with your smartphone. Wow, this is bossingly bossing. Order yours at my TikTok shop. Bossing.